In today's how-to, we're going to show you how you can change the type of a task once it's been created. So in this case, we're looking at one that has no responses already, and that means that none of the people who are assigned that task have actually completed it. You can click to edit that, and then you can scroll down to the required response type and change it from done to yes, no, or any of the other types. Now, because you haven't collected any responses yet, you can make that change and click Publish. However, if you have a task that already has responses, like in this case, the one that has 2 out of 10, when you click to edit, you'll see that you cannot actually change to any of the other kind of response types. So you have two options. You can either trash this one and create a new one that everyone can see, or you can clear the responses that have already been collected. And we'll show you how to do that option now. You click on Manage Tasks, and then you click on Responses. And here you see the 2 people who've responded. You click View As, and then you show completed. Select the task that you want to change, click Update Response, and clear the response, and confirm. You do that for both of them, and then when you're done, you go back to All Tasks, and you'll see that both responses are cleared. So that means you can now edit that task and change the type. Now, we only recommend doing that in cases where you know that those responses can be cleared. For example, if you did a test or if the person that responded didn't respond correctly. If you need more information about how tasks work, be sure and watch the video embedded on the page.